These 20 tips cover every aspect of the Google Sheets homepage and will answer questions like, how do I find the sheet if I don't remember the name? Where can I get in-app help? And what is the only feature that requires a paid account? Click the subscribe button right now to receive future tips as they are developed and grow to pro with our 10-minute modules. Let's get started. To create a new blank Google Sheet, click the Google Apps button. Find and select Sheets. Did you know you can click and drag to change the placement of the apps you use most? If not, give this video a thumbs up to help others discover this tip. Now we are at the Sheets homepage. Click blank to open a new blank spreadsheet. To return to the homepage, click the Sheets icon. Click Main Menu to switch to other productivity apps like Docs. Click Help and Feedback to search help topics. You may also post a question in this form. All comments are reviewed. We are also available through email at techtipsin10@gmail.com. Drive is your online storage folder where spreadsheets and files are automatically saved. Settings affects the settings for all Google productivity applications, like Docs. Here you can change your default language. Right to left controls will be deactivated for languages like English, and active for specific languages like Arabic or Hebrew. Turning off Display Recent Templates removes the top part of the homepage, including the template for creating a new blank sheet. Note, the next tip requires a paid Google Workspace account. To make your files accessible offline without an internet connection, click Learn More under Offline, followed by Make Google Drive files available while offline. Turn on View History to allow others to see when you have access to shared file. Use Search to find the spreadsheet. To switch applications, use Google Apps. The option to sign out, which is recommended when on a shared computer, is found on the Account button. Templates can provide a great starting point. Click Template Gallery to view about 25 available templates. If you click the three dots and choose Hide All Templates, do you remember how to recover them? Go to Main Menu, Settings, and check the Display Recent Templates as shown earlier. Click on any file name or row to open the spreadsheet. If you have an idea what a spreadsheet looks like, but you don't remember the title, Grid View shows preview images. You may change the sort order to when the file was last updated or modified. Alphabetical sorting is also available. Finally, File Picker provides tools to find files by favorite status, owner, and upload date. Help us help you grow to pro by clicking the subscribe button to get more recommended content. Thanks for watching.